I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Yes, finally, it's almost done sa ating pagkakat ng manidipis sa mga cabbage. And then, next nating hihiwain is yung carrots. Finish na aking cabbage. So, ayan. Hindi pala siya hihiwain. I-grate. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Ano lang pala siya, ganyan, basta ganyan yan. Di ko sure kung tama yung pagkasabi ko, basta i-grate lang pala yung carrots. Ayan, isang carrots lang kasi para lang magko-color siya ba doon sa sa cabbage. Gusto ko din sana yung purple na cabbage. Kaso hindi bumili si nanay ng purple na cabbage. So, ayan. Okay na yung isang pirasong carrots para magiging makulay naman ang ating coleslaw. So, ayan. I-grate lang po natin siya. And then, ayan. Hindi pa siya tapos. So, finally, it's done! Done ang ating carrots. Ihahalo lang natin siya doon sa ating cabbage. Yes. So, ayan. Diyan po natin ilalagay ang ating cabbage. Malinis yung kamay ko na naghuhugas ako 3 days ago. Joke lang. Ayan, diyan natin ito ihahalo ang cabbage. Carrots. Saan na ba yung carrots? Uy. So, ayan. O, diba? Medyo makulay na ang ating cabbage. Mas gusto ko sana kung merong purple na cabbage. So, wala eh. Yun na lang. So, ayan. Mix na po siya. Ilalagay na lang natin ang ating mga ingredients. May ganar. And of course, the mayonnaise. Yun lang po. Mayonnaise, black and pepper, salt, grated onions. Yun lang po. Halo-halo po natin. Okay. Mix. So, ayan. May coleslaw na ako. Ano pa yun siya? Pwede naman siyang kainin agad-agad, pero hindi siya masarap kapag kakain mo agad. Dapat muna siya. Lagay mo muna siya sa ref ng kahit overnight lang. So, kinabukasan. Masarap na yung sarap. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you so much for watching sa aking paggawa ng coleslaw. So, ayun lang. I hope you enjoy watching. See you next time. Bye. Mwah.
Do it. Let's get it on.